Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, and now we aim to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 16th of August, 2024, our system has categorized supermicrocomputer as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.74. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our original hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently resides within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 26.28% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -45.99% to -6.73%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 103.76% over the next year, with potential returns between 66.66% and 393%. This corresponds to a price range between $1,047.93 and $3,099.98 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The supermicrocomputer stock price increased by approximately 1/3% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, rising from $626.69 to $628.80. It has now experienced gains for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can maintain this upward trend or take a short break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.52%, ranging from a low of $612.07 to a high of $639.73. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 0.66% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares traded, amounting to around $5 billion and $20 million. It is important to note that declining volume when prices are rising can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning regarding potential shifts in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $1,229, while the lowest price was $226.59. Currently, the price is approximately 48.84% or $600.20 below the 52-week high of $1,229, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. Supermicrocomputer, commonly referred to as SMCI, has made headlines today with significant announcements that could impact its stock price. Firstly, the company reported exceptional growth last quarter, highlighting strong demand for its advanced server hardware, especially as artificial intelligence continues to drive the market. Additionally, it announced a 10-for-1 stock split, a move that typically attracts investor interest by making shares more accessible and potentially increasing liquidity. Despite these positive developments, SMCI faces margin pressures in the short term, as its gross profit growth is not keeping pace with sales, which more than doubled last quarter. This discrepancy may affect investor confidence, although the company's forward earnings ratio of 18 times positions it as an attractive buy in the current market, particularly given its strong guidance for fiscal year 2025. Investors are now buying into SMCI again after a significant drop earlier in the month. With its valuation remaining low despite impressive revenue growth, many analysts view the current price point around $600 as a solid entry opportunity. In the long term, as demand for artificial intelligence continues to bolster sales, SMCI's stock could gain significant traction, especially if it can effectively address its margin issues. Thus, the recent developments present a mix of short-term volatility with strong long-term potential. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a hold rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs also provided SMCI with a neutral rating and a hold action. Additionally, Barclays rated SMCI as overweight, accompanied by a hold action on that day. Earlier on Wednesday, the 1st of May, 2024, Bank of America Securities issued a buy rating for SMCI, along with a hold action. On that same day, Goldman Sachs reiterated a neutral rating for SMCI with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Supermicrocomputer stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen by 27.62%. Further gains are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. The Supermicrocomputer stock maintains a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, the overall outlook appears more negative for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $730.73. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $565.67. A breakout above the long-term average would provide another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would add another sell signal, reinforcing the overall sentiment. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger signals indicated a buy opportunity 18 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a sell 24 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 49 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. Supermicrocomputer finds support from accumulated volume at $626.69. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock displays significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $27.66 between its high and low, which accounts for 4.52%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.91%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of November, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are at $7.45. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $695.61. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $626.69. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 9th of August, 2024, Daniel W. Fairfax conducted an insider purchase of 316 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Tally C. Liu made an insider purchase of 515 shares of stock options, also known as the right to buy. Again, on the 9th of August, Tally C. Liu purchased 158 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, Sherman Tuan executed an insider purchase of 316 shares of restricted stock units. Lastly, on the 9th of August, 2024, Judy L. Lin also conducted an insider purchase of 515 shares of stock options. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 3.329. In total, insiders acquired 14,619 shares, while selling 15,767 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $605.79, representing a decline of 3.66%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. There is currently a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer presents several positive signals, yet we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors might choose to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Since our last evaluation, we have upgraded our analysis for this stock from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of August, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open down by $1.93, starting the day at $626.87. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.